Next problem. Find the position of the point 6 minus x 0 comma 1 2 comma 3 with respect to the parabola y square is equal to 6x. Equation of the parabola y square is equal to 6x, that is equation number 1. So first put x is equal to 6 and y is equal to minus 6 in y square equal to y square minus 6, right, minus 6x. So y square minus 6x, which is equal to, we are going to find y square minus 4ax, right. Based on that value we are concluding that the point is whether inside or on or outside the parabola, right. That is why we are taking y square minus 6x, right. So y square minus 6x, which is equal to minus 6x square minus 6 into 6, that is equal to 0. Therefore we know that px1 y1 lies on the parabola y square equal to 4ax if and only if y square y1 square minus 4a1 equal to 0. Therefore the point 6 minus 6 lies on the parabola y square is equal to 6x. Next point, put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1 in y square minus 6x. So y square minus 6 is equal to 1 square minus 6 into 0, that is 1, that is positive, greater than 0. If y square if the point p x1 y1 lies outside the parabola if and only if y1 square minus 4ax1 is positive. Therefore the point 0 comma 1 is outside the parabola. Next, last point, put x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3 in y square is equal to y square minus 6x, right. Y square minus 6x is equal to 3 square minus 6 into 2, that is equal to minus 3, that is negative. If the point, we know that the point x1 y1 lies inside the parabola, then y1 square if and only if y1 square minus 4ax1 is negative, less than 0. Therefore the point lies inside the parabola 2 comma 3, right. Next, note equation of the parabola with focus and directrix. The focus of a parabola is a comma 0 and the directrix is x plus a equal to 0, then the equation of the parabola is y square is equal to 4ax. The focus of the parabola is minus a comma 0 and directrix is x minus a equal to 0, then the equation of the parabola is y square equal to minus 4ax. Third one, if the focus of the parabola is 0 comma a and the directrix is y plus a equal to 0, then the equation of the parabola is x square is equal to 4ay. Fourth one, if the focus of the parabola is 0 comma minus a and the directrix is y minus a equal to 0, then the equation of the parabola is x square minus 4ay, right. Next problem, find the equation of the parabola whose focus is 4 comma 0 and directrix is x is equal to minus 4. So given focus is 4 comma 0, directrix x is equal to minus 4 or x plus 4 equal to 0, right. So we know the equation of the parabola whose focus is a comma 0 and directrix x plus a is y square equal to 4ax. Here a is equal to 4, right, because the focus s is a comma 0, right, that is why here a is equal to 4. Therefore the equation of the parabola is equal to y square equal to 4 into 4x, that is equal to 16x. Y square is equal to 16x is the required equation. Next, find the coordinate of the points of the parabola y square is equal to 8x whose focal distance is 10. So we know focal distance of the point p x1 y1 with respect to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax is given by x1 plus a, right. So given parabola is y square is equal to 8x. So 4a is equal to 8x, that implies a is equal to 2. The required point, let the required point be px1 y1 which is on the parabola y square is equal to 8x. So whose focal distance is 10, right. We are going to find x1 y1, right, that is one equation number 1. But the focal distance px1 y1 with respect to y square is equal to 8x is x1 plus a, that is x1 plus 2, right. Instead of a you are putting the value of a, that is equation number 2. So from 1 and 2, a plus x1 they have given focal distance. From the formula you get the focal distance x1 plus 2. Therefore x1 plus 2 is equal to 10, right. Therefore x1 equal to 10 minus 2, that is equal to 8. instead of a you put 2, so x1 plus 2 is equal to 10, so x1 is equal to 10 minus 2, that is equal to 8. That is equation number 3. Since p x1 y1 lies on the parabola y square is equal to 8x, it satisfies the equation. Therefore y1 square equal to 8x1, right? So substituting the value of x1, so you will get y1 square is equal to 8 into 8, that is equal to 64. Therefore y1 is equal to plus or minus root 64, that is equal to plus or minus 8. So the coordinate of the points are p x1 y1 equal to p of 8, then y coordinate there are 2, right, plus or minus 8. Next problem. If 1 by 2 comma 2 is the one of the extremity of the focal chord of the parabola y square is equal to 8x, find the coordinate of the other extremity, right? So given p 1 comma 1 by 2 comma 2 is the one of the extremity of the, that is one end of the focal chord, extremity means, right? We are going to find the other end, right? So focal chord of y square is equal to 8x. Let q x1 y1 be the other extremity of the focal chord. We are going to find the other point. Focal chord, it is a line between 2 points, right? One is p 1 by 2 comma 2, other end is q x1 y1. We are going to find q x1 y1. That is what they asked, right? So pq is the given focal chord. So here 4a is equal to 8, a is equal to 2. Hence the focus is a comma 2, right? So s is 2 comma 0, right? So this end is p, this end is q. Here slope of sp is equal to slope of sq, because same line, right? So that is equation number 1. Slope of sp is equal to, we know, right, 2 0 1 by 2 2, 2 point formula, 2 minus 0 by 1 by 2 minus 2, so that is equal to minus 4 by 3. That is equation number 2, right? So from 1 and 2 we will get slope of sq is equal to y1 minus 0. No, actually we are taking x1 y1 and the 2 point formula again, yes, 2 comma 0. So from the formula you will get slope of sq is equal to y1 minus 0 by x1 minus 2, right? That is y1 by x1 minus 2. That is equation number 3 by using 2 point formula. From 2 and 1 2 3, because slope of sq is equal to 1 from 1 and 2 minus 4 by 3. From 3 you are having y1 by x1 minus 2. So equating both. So y1 by x1 minus 2 is equal to minus 4 by 3. y1 equal to minus 4 by 3 into x1 minus 2. That is equation number 4. Since q x1 y1 lies on the parabola y square is equal to 8x, it satisfies the equation of the parabola, right? So substituting x is equal to x1 and y is equal to y1 in the parabola equation, y square is equal to 8x, you will get y1 square is equal to 8x1, right? That is equation number 5. So from 4 and 5, substituting the value of y1 from 4 in 5 minus 4 by 3 x1 minus 2 the whole square equal to 8x1. So 16 by 9 into x1 minus 2 the whole square is equal to 8x1. So 2 by 9 x1 square plus 4 minus 4 x1 equal to x1. So 2 into x1 square plus 4 minus 4 x1 equal to 9x1, just to do the cross multiplication. So these are all simple simplification, right? 2x1 square plus 8 minus 8x1 minus 9x1 equal to 0. So 2x1 square minus 17x1 plus 8 equal to 0. That is 2x1 square minus 16x1, we are factorizing, right? Minus 16x1 minus x1 plus 8 equal to 0. So 2x1 into x1 minus 8 minus x1 minus 8 is equal to 0. So that implies 2x1 minus 1 into x1 minus 8 equal to 0. So x1 equal to 1 by 2 or x1 equal to 8. So x1 equal to 1 by 2 we already know. x1 is equal to 1 by 2 means from 4 y1 equal to already there the point y1 equal to 2. That is what they have given p. So other extremity, when x1 equal to 8, right, we are going to find the other extremity, right? So from 4 y1 equal to minus 4 by 3, 8 minus 2, that is equal to minus 8. So other extremity is 8 comma minus 8, right? Thanks.